In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a faux silver and turquoise heart elephant pendant. Run your graphite pearl clay on the thickest setting on the pasta machine. Then use the elephant cutter. Flip it over and use the fingernail brush to give it wear and tear marks. Bake. Choose the size of heart mold you want to use. Using your X-Acto knife, scrape a few bits from a black or brown crayon. Place the scrapings in the mold. Then the clay. Use your rigid blade to trim excess clay. Bake. You need to clean your cabochon with alcohol. Make sure that you do not touch your fingers on the black areas, as the crayon will be soft and staining. Get some more graphite pearl clay through the machine on a medium thin setting. I use the 7 on a Makins. Use any texture with fine lines and a compact pattern. Suggestions in the video description. Once you have obtained your texture print, rub some Bake Bond on the backing of your pendant. Then place the textured clay on top with care to not trap air pockets. Flip over. Using your X-Acto knife, carve out the piece at about 3 mm from the edge. Place more Bake Bond on the edge of the backing. Then, use a small roller or paintbrush handle to fold over the textured clay. Use your knife to trim the excess clay. For better smoothness, you can spray alcohol, then rub with your finger to remove any joining lines. Place your heart cabochon where you'd want it to be on the elephant. Use your X-Acto knife to contour the cabochon. Then remove the cutout. Rub some silver wax on the raised areas. Place the cabochon. There will still be enough Bake Bond to secure it in place. Take a small piece of graphite clay and create a very thin string. You can use an extruder for that. Gently rub some goldish wax on the string. Then place the string around the cabochon as a setting. Bake. Rub silver metallic wax on the back edges and front of the pendant. Allow to harden 15 to 30 minutes. Using a soft cotton cloth, buff the metallic area as well as the faux turquoise cabochon. Optional, if you want your cabochon shinier, you can varnish it. I used here plain Sculpey gloss varnish. Now let's place a bail. Using a hand drill, drill a hole where your bail will be. The diameter of your bit should be a little bit smaller than the screw part of the eye screw. Dip the end of an eye screw in glue. I'm using here 2-part Loctite. Then screw it in place. Allow at least an hour before stringing the pendant on a chain or leather cord. Happy Valentine's Day!